Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a new Gmail ID in your Vivo smartphone, how you can make a new one. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open the Google and then you have to just add a new ID. So click on Google and here is the home. You can just tap on this button and you can see there is a add another account, and just when you just click it, use pattern, your default phone unlocking password, and click on create account. Here for my personal, if you have to make a business one, you can click on business one. Just click on this and you can just make this like this, and you have to just select month. You have to just fill this here and then press next. It asks for your Gmail ID, so I choose this, and you have to just press next, and then you have to just apply the password. And friends, you can see the Gmail ID is completed. You have to just agree all this stuff and your new Gmail ID is ready. This is how you can make it, and how you can just delete it. You have to just search here, delete your Google account. You have to search this, continue, and then you have to make a password again, and it is loading right now. You have to just delete your Google account. Here it is. And you have to just delete this account like this. Right now you can see this is not working, and you can see it is deleted. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.